Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Monday to you all. It's January 30th. It's time for our chart of the week. We're going to focus on Apple supplier Qorvo this afternoon. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chart and mark it up as we go along here. So Qorvo, some may be looking at this and saying, well, Bob, double top here. And you would probably be right. But what I tend to see here is a stock that corrected significantly. Let me mark that up in black, and kind of fell into a range here. And most recently, at the beginning of January, zipped out of that range right around here and started making higher highs and higher lows. Filled that gap over here, right here from back in July, and around $61. And you would have thought that perhaps it's time for a rest, it's time to take off to the downside. But you know what? This stock has got some power. And what I mean by power is strong turnover, strong volume. We did have some pretty heavy volume when the stock blasted below the 200-day moving average here on some pretty nasty price movement down to the high 40s. Bounced back right after the election and just kind of bumped around, went back into the range, and bolted higher around the middle of January and has not turned back ever since. In fact, today's action was quite strong, showed some really good relative strength when the market was getting pounded. This stock was continually going higher and higher, closed up at near the high of the day with nearly an almost outside day. We like that sort of action here on a stock like this. And when the market does turn around, of course, it was down quite a bit on Monday and maybe down a little bit on Tuesday. When we see a stock challenging the all-time highs like it is right now, it could have some more upside. And of course, Apple's got earnings coming out on the 31st. We'll know what those are when this video is taken and seen up on the website. So it'll be interesting to see how Qorvo does. But in the meantime, we like strong stocks, and the chart is still looking bullish as of today. That's Qorvo. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.